Hey parents, today we're talking about good habits for kids. First up, regular hand washing. Teaching kids to wash their hands before meals and after using the bathroom can prevent the spread of germs and keep them healthy. Another important habit is healthy eating. Encouraging a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide the essential nutrients they need to grow and develop. Physical activity is also crucial. Promoting regular exercise and outdoor play can improve their physical health and help them develop social skills. Reading is a habit that can foster a love for learning and improve their language skills. Providing age-appropriate books can spark their imagination and creativity. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine is essential for proper sleep. Getting enough sleep can improve their mood, behavior, and academic performance. Teaching kids to be polite and respectful to adults and peers can help them develop strong relationships and social skills. Respect for others is an important value to instill in them. Encouraging kids to take care of their belongings and chores can help them develop responsibility and independence. It also teaches them the importance of contributing to the household. Instilling basic manners like saying please and thank you can help them develop good social skills and show respect for others. Good manners can go a long way in building positive relationships. Helping kids understand and express their emotions can improve their emotional intelligence and mental health. Emotional expression can also help them develop empathy towards others. Teaching problem-solving skills to resolve conflicts can help kids develop critical thinking and decision-making skills. It also prepares them for future challenges. Fostering organization in schoolwork and personal items can improve their academic performance and reduce stress. It also helps them develop time management skills. Promoting empathy and kindness towards others can help kids develop strong relationships and social skills. It also instills important values like respect and compassion. Setting reasonable limits on screen time and encouraging other activities can improve their physical health and social skills. It also prevents the negative effects of excessive screen time. Encouraging kids to express gratitude for what they have can improve their mental health and happiness. Gratitude can also help them develop a positive outlook on life. Teaching kids about safety rules at home and in public can prevent accidents and keep them safe. Safety awareness is an essential habit to instill in them. By developing these habits, kids can become responsible, well-rounded individuals. Let's help them grow into their best selves.